Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Hercules WAE Outdoor 04 Plus wireless Bluetooth speaker and you are trying to pair it with a Bluetooth device with your iPhone, your Android phone, etc. Either for the first time, or you are trying to do it paired to a new device, or if it keeps connecting to something you don't want it to and you want to make sure it's connected to the thing that you want to. So when you turn this on for the first time and there's no pairing history, it will automatically go into pairing mode, which this light will start to blink in blue, and we can go in on our device and select this WAE speaker from the list of available devices and it will pair. And the next time we turn it on, it's going to automatically try to connect to that. And if we want to pair a new speaker, then we need to put it in discovery mode. So with it on, we're just going to come and press and hold this Bluetooth button for 3 seconds until this button this light on the right here starts to blink blue. That indicates that it is now in discovery mode, and then we can go on our device and pair it with that and connect and select it, and it will pair with that. Now we can store up to 8 paired devices, and when we turn it on, it will automatically try to connect in chronological order to one of those devices, whichever it was paired to recently and is available. After 8, when we pair something new, it will drop off the 8th one. But anyways, that should get you paired with a new device. And if you're still having issues with it not pairing to the right device or not pairing, I recommend you do just clear all the pairing history off of it and reset it. And I'll put a link in the description to how to do that.